Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to wash a Cub Cadet XT1 lawnmower. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including maintenance, DIY, and other random projects. Here are some images for a visual assessment. It'll be our starting point to see how dirty this lawnmower was before the wash. At the time of recording, the lawnmower is 2 years old and has a little over 250 hours on it. I thought that it would be a good idea to share a video of washing it for the first time. To begin, the negative cable on the battery was disconnected for safety. As seen, to remove the plastic cover for the headlights, a flathead screwdriver was used. Starting from the back of the headlight cover, I pried open a piece from the plastic tab. I used caution with this because I usually end up breaking the tabs on parts like this. Once done, I pushed the plastic headlight piece from the front to back. After it was in place, I pushed in the headlight cover to secure the tabs. This video was recorded indoors with consideration to consistency in lighting and weather. Because the video was recorded indoors, using a water hose or power washer were not an option, and that just prolonged the cleaning procedure. Due to the compromises in the wash procedure, I would consider this more of a how I did it than a how-to video. As seen, the mower has been used frequently. It accumulated a good layer of dirt on top of scratches and surface rust. As an experiment for this video and to save on cleaning materials, I chose to use only water. Along with the water, an old rag was used. I initially had a bucket, but with the sink in close proximity, I decided to rinse the dirty rag frequently, again using only water. Cleaning around the engine area will help to identify fluid leaks such as oil or fuel. Since this is not a true detail wash or restoration, the goals were just to clean the external parts which were most seen. Beyond aesthetics, the process of cleaning the lawnmower can be beneficial for maintenance. A clean lawnmower can keep debris away from moving parts and can help identify things such as rust and leaks. Soap and other cleaning products could have made this process easier. Those items are better suited and almost required on machines with consideration to damage of the surface by the cleaning process. Cleaning around the battery will help to identify its external condition. With this machine being used only in the yard and continually getting dirty, the choice to use only water was more of an experiment which compromises between time of labor and cost of materials. There were times when I wrapped the rag around the tool to help scrape away some of the dirt. This helped some of the time, but it was most useful when trying to wipe down hard to reach areas. Without soap to help take the dirt off the parts, the amount of water on the rag yielded different results. For most of this video, the wash rag was kept a little on the dry side, but that was another compromise in order to keep the floor from becoming puddled with water. To finish, the negative cable on the battery was then reconnected. This of course is required to allow the mower to operate again. Ultimately, I was satisfied with the results of the wash. As related to maintenance, the best outcome of this lengthy process was the time spent observing the condition of the machine and its parts. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.